Hello smart investors. Today we'll be taking a look at a piece of apartment in Lekki in Adesanya to be precise. This property comes with a C of O and is less than 2 minutes drive from the Lekki Expressway. This property is an off-plan property, meaning it is coming at a very reasonable price offer. Now, one thing about off-plan property is that it is affordable and you are getting it from the scratch. As the project progresses, the price of this property increases till its finishing. So for those of you who want to invest, you might be making as much as 10 million to 15 million naira on this project within a year. Now, I think that is good investment. There are various landmarks around these properties like the Lagos Business School, ShopRite, Barracuda Beach, and a whole lot of other places around this environment. And the good thing is that the road is very accessible. Now, buying into this estate, you not only get an apartment, you get a fully furnished apartment, and you also stand a chance of going home with a salon car or a jeep if you make full payments on the penthouses. Here is how it goes. If you buy 1 unit of the penthouse, you get a salon car, and if you buy 2 units of the penthouse for 96 million naira, you get a jeep, a Geely jeep. The car promo offer ends at the end of September. So if you want to be one of those lucky few that will get a car with the apartment, then you have to make a full payment for these apartments. Each apartment comes with 3 ACs for 2 bedroom, 5-seater sofa, 1 king size and 1 queen size bed, carpets, fully fitted kitchen, and 2 TV sets per unit, 20 inches and 45 inches for the master's bedroom and the living room. The delivery time for this project as at now is about 13 months, so don't wait up. Now, this estate comes with various estate facilities like a gym, a swimming pool, a cinema, a lounge, lest I forget. It also comes with a park where you can relax with your kids, just chill out during the weekends and things like that. So don't hesitate. This is a fully serviced estate where you have everything you want right in the comfort of your surrounding. So don't hesitate. Call the number you see on your screen and let us get you your dream home.